Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how I've built this awesome drawer for my rear storage setup. To build it I really used basic tools, basic skills and basic woodworking knowledge. This was actually my very first time building a drawer from scratch, so I'm pretty sure there are better techniques out there, but this is how I've done it. So, as usual, everything started with some measurements. First, I'm gonna cut everything I need for the outside part of the drawer. For this, I'm gonna use some 15mm plywood. It's a bit heavy, but my fridge is gonna be on top of it, so I want it sturdy. Well, that's a good start. Now let's put everything together. In order to do that, I'm gonna put some wood glue first and then add 2 metal square brackets. I did the same on the other side. I just had to make sure that the hatch still closed. Now I can close the outside part of the drawer on one end. And then I spray paint it. For the actual drawer I use some 9mm plywood. It's lighter but strong enough. The process here is pretty much the same that for the outside part. I'm just gonna close it on both ends. Okay, so as you can see, I have new tools, but I'm a little bit ashamed because this one's mine and this one belongs to my girlfriend, Listen. Okay, that's pretty nice. Now let's put the sliders on. On the drawer first and then on the outside part. With accurate measurements, it should work well. Now I'm gonna make the front of the drawer with a wider plywood plank.
piece of carpet for a nice finish. I also added some tape under the handle so it won't rattle all day long. I put some carpets on top of the drawer as well. This is so satisfying to do with a nice blade at a 45-degree angle. Well, I guess it's done.
Okay, so I'm really happy with this drawer. It's actually way bigger than expected. I just have a couple more things to do to really finish it. First of all, I have to bolt it to the main platform so it won't move anywhere while driving. Secondly, I will probably add some linen oil on the inside of the drawer for a nice finish. And then I need to get some kind of locks for the door so it won't open while driving. So what I have in mind is to use this kind of little locks because it's small enough. I can put it on the side of the drawer and it's not gonna rattle while driving when it's closed. So I think that's a pretty good idea, but if you have more ideas for these locks, please tell me in the comment section down below. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. You can also check my Instagram account, my Facebook page and my merch store. Thank you guys for watching and see you next week.